Evening, officers.
Fellas having a party?
Yeah, we're having a small little birthday gathering for my friend. I'm the friend for my birthday.
A lot of cars for a small party.
Is there a problem here, officers?
We have a noise complaint.
Mind if we look around?
I prefer if you didn't.
We're not asking.
Excuse me, officers. I'm not a lawyer or anything. Doesn't the law state that you cannot enter through a private residence without permission?
Is there an adult here we might speak with?
You're speaking with one. I'm 18 and a half years old, sir. And of course, in my culture, I've been a man since my 13th birthday.
So you're telling us we cannot come in?
Well, with all due respect, technically the law says you cannot. What we're saying is you may not. I guess both are true. The law says you cannot because we say you may not.
All right. Props on the can, Maple. Just keep the noise down to a minimum, okay?
Yes, sir.
Don't make us come back. You know what I mean?
Yeah, of course.
Good night.
Night, officers.
Night. Technically, law says you can't get this damn internet.
Everybody's an attorney.
To the break of dawn, yo!